Morning sun warms the cozy kitchen as Mama Cat sips milk. Muffin pounces straight into the bowl, sending milk everywhere. Mama freezes, milk splattered. Muffin chases her tail in dizzy circles across the sunny kitchen. The yarn ball tumbles free and bounces toward the table legs. Muffin collides with the yarn, sending it tangling around everything. Mama starts tidying while Muffin eyes the fluttering curtain. Like a tiny mountaineer, Muffin scales the curtain fast. "Muffin!" Mama scolds, reaching up with worried eyes. With a chirp, Muffin leaps, landing on Mama Cat's head before sliding down. Later, dusk settles. Mama Cat navigates loops and toppled cushions to rest. Peace at last. Muffin curls on Mama Cat's back as eyes lower to a fond sigh. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care out there.